Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Meross to set up Matter-ready smart plugs. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Meross, first, download the Meross app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app after installation. On the welcome page, tap on Create an account. Provide a valid email address and create a secure password. Once you've filled in the details, tap on Sign Up. Check your email for a verification link from Meross. Click the link to verify your email address. Return to the Meross app and log in with your new account credentials. After logging in, tap on the plus icon to add a device. Select smart plugs from the list of device categories. Choose Matter-ready smart plugs for setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your smart plug in pairing mode. Once the smart plug is in pairing mode, the app will search for nearby devices. When your smart plug appears in the app, select it to connect. You may be prompted to choose your home Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password if requested. After successfully connecting, name your smart plug for easy identification. You can also assign it to a specific room in your home. Once setup is complete, the app will confirm the successful connection. Your Matter-ready smart plug is now ready for use with compatible smart home systems. Explore the app to discover additional features and settings for your new device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.